Hey guys, welcome to Manoeuvre Education. Today in this video we're going to talk about the CUET University, one of the top university for UG as well as the PG programs. So stay tuned in this video because we're going to look at the BBA program offered in CUET University, for which you have to crack the exam called CUET. We're also going to look at the placement after you complete your BBA degree and the ROI as well as the top recruiting firms. But before we move on, we have already launched the batch for 2023 and 24, where you get the live classroom session, books, ebooks, shortcut tips and tricks, doubt class, recorded videos, topic wise test, full length and sectional mock test. You will be added to a WhatsApp group. You get 10,000 plus questions to solve. You get a proper mentorship. You will also be prepared for the GD, VAT as well as the PI. You can target ipmat, ipmat, NPAT, CET General, Symbiosis, NLU Delhi, NMIMS and various other campuses. If you're Mumbai based looking for classroom coaching, you can contact our centers at Dadar, Borivali and Vasai. If you're based outside Mumbai looking for live class and online session, you can contact our number at 8828581455, or else you can visit the website www.manoeuvreedu.com for more information. Now let's head straight into the video. So CUET University was established in the year 1969. It has 5 major campuses, out of which 3 are in Bangalore, 1 in Delhi and 1 in Pune. Bangalore remains the central campus, Delhi and Pune remains the off campus. So it was established in the year 1969. It is considered as one of the top B school for management programs. And if we talk about the bachelor's program, then it is one of the best institute for bachelor's as well as BBA being their flagship program. So to get into the CUET University, you have to crack an exam called CUET, which is nothing but CUET University Entrance Test. We have already made a video on that regarding the eligibility, the paper pattern, the cutoff and everything. But today in this video, we just gonna focus on the placement structures. So it has a separate placement cell which was established in the year 1997, and their only aim behind setting this placement cell is to offer path-breaking career options to students. So not only bachelor's degree, but even if you want to pursue your master's degree, then CUET University is one of the best university or one of the top universities in India. The placement cells also offer students or help students with the counseling process for their careers, which helps them find their interest, aptitudes, abilities, and it also focuses on overall development of students. Now this development helps them in resume building, group discussions, VAT and personal interview. So everything is correlated over here. Now let's look at some top recruiters and the salary packages you will be getting over here. So the first company is Deloitte, an international brand. Number of offers made 185. This is with respect to the data of 2020-21. EY 121, KPMG 83, TCS 67, Goldman Sachs 48, Cerner 43, Deutsche Bank 41 and Amazon 38. So the highest package here students have got is 13.12 lakh per annum, average stands at 8.2 lakh per annum and the lowest stands at 6 lakh per annum. Although the fee structure is a bit high, but the packages you get over here is also very good. After all, everything counts on your ROI. Now let's look at some top recruiters who have actually recruited students from CUET. The first one is Bain & Company, Impulses, Crystal, Cash Service India, Cerner, Goldman Sachs, Verity, TCS, another big company, KPMG, another big company, EY and Deloitte. So if you're worried about the placement, then let me tell you that CUET University offers 100% placement. Although the placement record for the last year stands at 77%, because there were many students who wanted to pursue the higher education or wanted to get into the family businesses. But yes, CUET University does offers you a very good placement and 100% placement. So guys, let's prepare for CUET. And if you want preparation for CUET, then join our classroom session at Borivali, Vasai and Dadar. If you're outside Mumbai, you can contact our number at 8828581455 for live and online classes. As usual, follow us on Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for regular exam updates and notification. Till then, take care and prepare well.